channel, The Loom Storm, and today I'll be showing you how to make a loomless cotton candy charm that is my original design, so I created it. And you will need 21 bands for the part of your candy, the part that you eat, and then for the stick, which if you don't know what I mean is that part, you will need about, actually to be exact, you will need 12 bands. But let's just get on to the project. So you're going to need your hook, and we're going to start by just taking 2 bands on our hook, twisting it around once. Now we're going to grab all the bands on our hook and twist it around again. Like that. Your hook should look like that. And now we're just going to take 2 bands in the color of our stick on your hook and slide on all those rings, the first 2 bands you put on. Hold on. Got a few bands that are sorry. And then you're just gonna reclaim both ends. Then you're gonna take 2 more bands and then just scoop those bands on. 2 more bands again, push it on. And 2 more. And now, counting the cap band, you're gonna have 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're just gonna scoot that down on our hook and start adding the cotton candy part, the part that you eat. I'm not using as much as you normally would, but the more, the better it looks, so. Broke that one. Okay. Now once you have all those bands on there, you should look like that, and then you're gonna take 2 bands for the slip knot, put it on your hook, and just slide on all the cotton candy part bands and the stick. And then you're just gonna reclaim both ends. I'm catching extra bands. Okay, anyway, yeah, reclaim both ends, and then you're just gonna, don't let it slip off your hook, but you're just gonna take these 2 bands through the other, creating a slip knot like that. And you're gonna take these bands on your fingers and pull it off your hook. Don't snap them. And then you're just gonna take your stick and put it through there so that you've hidden your slip knot. Like that. And just scoot it up to where it's closer to the candy part so you can't notice it where the slip knot is. And yeah, that is the project. I hope you enjoyed how to make today's simple cotton candy charm, and I'll see you on the next video. Please give my channel a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.